Smart home technology is establishing a presence in our everyday lives. From simple thermostat comfort and energy efficiency to more elaborate security and home automation. But the question is, where to begin? With any new technology boom, there are always going to be several competing devices. Wouldn't it be great if there was just one device that had the capability to work with all devices? We'd like you to meet Swidget.
What better way to get your smart home started than with something as familiar as an outlet? Swidget is not an ordinary outlet. Installed using only the existing wiring in your home, Swidget provides you with an endless suite of inserts that allows you to tailor your needs to the technology you choose. This puts you in control, now and in the future. Here's how it works.
We built the Swidget Outlet to have the same look and feel as a regular wall outlet. Alone, the Swidget Outlet will work and operate as if it were a normal outlet. The real magic of the Swidget comes from the insert. The Swidget inserts are the pieces that can bring to life the smart home application you already love or have yet to imagine. Containing all of the smarts, the insert also connects to your smart home's network, whether it's Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, or any others.
Think of the Swidget Outlet as the smartphone and the inserts as apps. The smartphone provides all the resources common to all apps, but doesn't do a lot on its own. But the millions of apps available on it enables the smartphone to do all the things we love. What happens when technology changes? What happens when your home changes? You can simply replace or rearrange inserts in a snap. There are a ton of great smart home products, and the intent of smart home technology is to make our lives easier. But easier shouldn't mean more clutter. Many current devices choose ease of installation over aesthetics. A nightlight doesn't need to stick out from your wall. A temperature sensor doesn't need to go on your dresser. A carbon monoxide sensor should be low to the ground. A motion sensor shouldn't be visible. An outlet should be controlled from within. This is why we created Swidget.
As early adopters of smart home technology, we see the confusion around multiple platforms and the rapid evolution of products. And it's not going away anytime soon. We want to solve that.
As we've been dreaming up all of the Swidget insert possibilities, we've realized that we can't and don't want to do it all alone. Swidget is a powerful platform that enables others to get into the ever-expanding smart home market or create an easy in-wall application for your existing smart home technology. We want to encourage and enable the development of inserts by others.
To make this process as easy as possible, we've created a development kit that allows anyone to develop inserts safely and easily. As part of the kit, we can provide the documentation, circuit board designs, and 3D solid models, which makes developing your own inserts simple. Our goal is to create a Swidget ecosystem without limitations.
Swidget has been our passion project for 2 years now, and we are ready to introduce it to you. We have completed our detailed designs and have generated our first prototypes for the outlet and several inserts. We've completed our pre-regulatory design review with an external group and have implemented all the updates requested to the product. We're excited to bring Swidget to Kickstarter. We're at a point in our process where we need to raise funds to help finalize production and get Swidget into your home as soon as possible. There's a useful application for everyone in the smart home space. Whether you are new and just getting started, or a veteran and looking to clean up your device clutter, Swidget is the solution. One device, all platforms, familiar and future capable.
Hey, didn't see you there. Are you tired of slow performance and inactivity and not knowing why? At my age, I shouldn't have to deal with that. But I'm talking about my computer. With CompuTach, it's a heads-up dashboard display, just like in your car, and it diagnoses all the problems in your computer. CompuTach is the answer to all your problems. Before you get in your next game, why don't you come with me and I'll explain more. You don't have to lie. We all know you spent way too much money on your computer, or you just have a complete toaster. But it doesn't matter. With CompuTach, it gives you a heads-up display of CPU percentage, temperature, and ping speed. So before you blame your internet provider or your teammates, get CompuTach so you can diagnose the problem.
Here at CompuTach, we realized how important it was to gauge your computer's performance. And after seeing hackers hook up actual gauges to their computers, we realized we had to take a shot. We started with this. It's terrible. Then we moved to this. It's a step above the rest, but wasn't exactly what we were looking for. So we had to call in the professionals, instead of relying on someone with a poultry farming degree.
We knew we wanted a sexy final product. That's why we enlisted the help of top-notch designers, electrical engineers, and automotive gauge face manufacturers. Now, after years of tinkering, we finally have that beautiful design and optimal performance we knew you needed. Now, let's have a look. We started with a classic bullet-style design inspired by some of our favorite muscle cars. Then, we added a high tensile strength mounting device to allow it to connect to any laptop or computer monitor. Then, to light it up, we used red, green, blue LEDs to allow for millions of color combinations. And since you'll be looking at this every day, we used a laser-etched gauge face inspired by some of our favorite sports cars.
So we've talked a lot about hardware, but nothing about software. In order for it to be functional, it had to be light. So that's why we coated it as close to the metal as possible. Let's take a look.
We made the interface very simple to navigate. All you have to do is use the toggle buttons to set custom watch and warning levels, and you can see that the CompuTach will immediately begin reading out based on the specific settings that you input. As well, you can type in any IP address that you wish and click Save. The CompuTach will then begin monitoring the MS for that particular IP address. Lastly, you can input any color by simply typing in the RGB value that you wish and click Update.
So to recap, the design's been finished, the software is completed, our manufacturing has been sourced, the only step left is to fund our injection mold.
And we need you to help us fund our final product and for you to be a part of CompuTach. So smash that button and be a part of us so we can help you. It's time to gauge your performance. It's time for CompuTach.
On those days when you are out of clear vision, when to focus seems impossible, when you let yourself go to your bad habits, if we could only find a little push, a message from a better self. Introducing Guruist, first ever device that will get you back on track. Whether you are maintaining or changing course, Guruist allows you to connect to the better you or to our wide network of professionals by messaging you with guides, instructions, affirmations, motivation, thoughts to keep you on the track you choose, to help you cope with bad habits or build better ones, to clarify your goal, to remind you of what is important and help you regain focus, built to ensure supreme quality and provide you with a reliable lifelong companion. 6-inch touchscreen, presence sensor, interaction button, micro suction surface, up to 3-month battery life. Get your focus back because each day counts. Each milestone we lay today makes the foundation for tomorrow. And each step we make is getting us closer to our goal. Guruist device, for good to get better.
Alexa, turn off TV.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Yanhua.
I'm an engineer. I'm introducing SmartMote, an Amazon Alexa-enabled universal remote that allows you to voice control your home appliances. Here are a few ways you can use SmartMote. Alexa, tell SmartMote to change to channel 2.
Okay. Hi, I'm Han, also an engineer. Alexa, tell SmartMote to change LED color to purple. Okay. Alexa voice control and smart home are a powerful combination. It is so natural and convenient to talk to Alexa and command your home appliances. However, most of the technology on the market requires us to replace current devices. It is not affordable to many of us. What if we can build a brain to those not so smart devices and enable Alexa for them? SmartMote is such a solution.
Many home appliances are controlled by infrared remote. By securely connecting to Amazon Alexa services, SmartMote allows you to replace all of your remotes with just your voice. With 5 IR emitters, SmartMote can cover the entire room. First, place SmartMote anywhere in the room and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Then, help SmartMote to learn the IR code using the original remotes. There you have it, an Alexa-enabled smart home. SmartMote is more than just Alexa. With over-the-air firmware upgrade capability, we plan to support Google Home down the road. You can also turn on the devices remotely using our SmartMote app or run them on a schedule. In the last couple of months, we spent most of our spare time prototyping SmartMote. Now, we are enjoying a hands-free smart home.
We need your help to bring SmartMote to market. For less than $30, you can help us to turn this prototype into final product and bring smart home to everyone. Thank you for your support.
Thank you.